This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Are you slowly killing your Audi without realizing it? Does your car feel slightly less sharp than when you bought it? Throttle not as immediate, turbo not as eager, acceleration not as aggressive, and yet no warning lights, no errors, no obvious problem. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most Audi engines don't lose power suddenly. They lose it progressively. And most owners never notice until 10-15% performance is already gone. Today we expose the 5 silent performance killers, because Audi engines are precision machines. And precision degrades silently. Silent killer number 1, heat soak neglect. Modern Audi TFSI and SRS engines generate massive heat. But here's the issue: repeated short aggressive runs, immediate engine shutdown, no cool-down management. This slowly stresses turbo bearings, oil film integrity, intake air temperatures. You don't feel it instantly, but over months, turbo efficiency drops. Boost response becomes slightly slower. You call it normal aging. It isn't. Silent killer number 2, intake carbon buildup. Direct injection, braking performance, but also carbon buildup, especially on 2.0 TFSI, 3.0 TFSI RS variants. If you do mostly short city driving, valves accumulate deposits, airflow becomes restricted. Result? Reduced volumetric efficiency, slower throttle response, lower high RPM pull, no warning light, just lost sharpness. If you want your Audi to stay aggressive, sharp, and responsive long-term, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing Audi-only technical deep dives without generic advice or brand confusion. In this episode, we're going all the way. Silent killer number 3, underperforming ignition components. Spark plugs and coil packs, small parts, huge impact. Worn plugs don't always misfire. Sometimes they just reduce combustion efficiency. You lose throttle crispness, mid-range torque, fuel efficiency, and you blame fuel quality. In part 1, we exposed heat management, carbon buildup, and ignition wear. Now, we move into the systems most Audi owners never connect to performance loss, because not all power loss comes from the engine itself. Sometimes it comes from control systems, and sometimes from voltage. Silent killer number 4, low battery voltage. This one shocks most owners. A weak battery doesn't just affect startup. It affects transmission behavior, throttle mapping, sensor accuracy, fuel injection timing, boost control stability. Modern Audi vehicles, especially S, RS, and models with advanced MMI, depend heavily on stable voltage. If your battery is aging or under spec, you can experience sluggish automatic shifts, delayed throttle response, inconsistent boost, start-stop system malfunction, rough idle. No warning light, just degraded driving feel. Automatic transmissions, especially S-tronic, are highly voltage sensitive. Low voltage equals adaptation errors. Adaptation errors equal delayed shift timing. You think your gearbox is aging. Sometimes it's just battery health. If your Audi has many multimedia systems, heated seats, advanced sound, digital cockpit, voltage stability becomes even more critical. Battery maintenance isn't optional, it's performance preservation. Silent killer number 5, transmission adaptation. Drift. Audi automatic transmissions adapt to driving style. Over time, they adjust. Shift points, clutch pressure, throttle response integration. If you drive gently for months or do city traffic daily, the transmission adapts, and it may reduce aggressiveness. Your car feels less sharp, less immediate, less responsive. But mechanically, nothing is wrong. A proper transmission adaptation reset can restore shift precision, engagement speed, driving sharpness. This isn't tuning, it's recalibration, but it must be done properly, not randomly. Silent killer number 6, tire pressure and rolling resistance. This is massively underestimated. Incorrect tire pressure can cost grip, acceleration, fuel economy, steering sharpness. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. Overinflated tires reduce contact patch. Both reduce effective performance. Audi chassis are calibrated precisely, especially S and RS models. A few PSI off can change driving feel significantly. You don't lose horsepower, you lose usable power, and that's what you feel. If this is helping you understand why your Audi doesn't feel as strong as before, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing deep Audi-specific content without generic car advice. In part 3, we connect everything together: how small neglect compounds, what to prioritize first, how to restore lost sharpness safely, and what not to waste money on.
Now let's connect everything: heat, carbon, ignition wear, battery voltage, transmission adaptation, tire pressure. Individually, each one may cost you 2 to 5%. Together, you can lose 10–15% of usable performance without realizing it. Not horsepower on paper, but sharpness, responsiveness, confidence. The car you remember when it was new. So how do you restore it? Not with random modifications, with precision maintenance. Step 1. Restore electrical stability. Before chasing power, stabilize voltage. Test your battery properly, not just does it start. Check cold cranking amps, state of charge, voltage under load. If voltage drops too much during startup, you're already stressing control modules. Modern Audi ECUs adapt to unstable voltage. That adaptation changes behavior. Replace weak batteries with correct spec only. Then, reset adaptations if needed, properly, not randomly. Stable voltage restores, smooth shifting, sensor accuracy, consistent throttle input, boost control stability. Electric stability, mechanical precision. Step 2. Fresh high-spec oil plus OEM filter. Oil is not just lubrication, it's hydraulic control, cam timing, turbo shaft, chain tensioners, all oil dependent. If oil is degraded, you lose. Timing precision, turbo efficiency, cold start smoothness. Fresh oil restores internal efficiency. Use correct Audi-approved specification only. Pair it with OEM or high-quality equivalent filter. Cheap filters compromise pressure stability. Pressure instability. Inconsistent lubrication. Consistent lubrication. Consistent power delivery. Step 3. Eliminate carbon restriction. If you drive direct injection Audi engines, most modern models, carbon buildup is inevitable. Symptoms: slight hesitation, reduced top-end pull, less linear throttle. Professional intake valve cleaning restores airflow. More airflow. More efficient combustion. More efficient combustion. Restored responsiveness. Not louder, not dramatic, but sharper. Step 4. Recalibrate driving systems. After restoring mechanical condition, check tire pressure precisely. Not looks fine. Exact specification for load and use. If transmission feels lazy, evaluate adaptation reset professionally. If throttle feels inconsistent, check software updates or calibration needs. Modern Audi performance is software managed. Mechanical condition must match electronic calibration. Step 5. Stop chasing fake gains. Many owners install random intakes, cheap performance filters, low-quality aftermarket parts, and expect gains. But if fundamentals aren't optimized, upgrades don't help. Restore factory efficiency first. Factory Audi engineering is already optimized. Your job is preserving it. The real truth. You don't unlock hidden power with tricks. You protect the power you already paid for. Audi engines are precision systems. When voltage is stable, oil is correct, airflow is clean, adaptations are healthy, tire pressure is optimized, the car feels alive again. Not louder, not flashy, just sharp. And sharp is fast. If you want your Audi to stay responsive, reliable, and strong long-term, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing deep, Audi-focused technical content. Without generic advice and without brand confusion, if you drive Audi, this channel is built for you.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.